Hi, Richard from Raccoon here, showcasing our latest commercial vehicle conversion. This one is an all-electric Ford Transit E. We've converted it for a company called Switchee, who are a leader in money-saving thermostats to control the heating costs in your home. Fully branded and wrapped on the outside. Inside, we've turned it into a mobile meeting room, demonstration room, and product display. We also have a digital screen that goes on this end wall here. On the top of the roof, we have solar panels, which charges up the inbuilt lithium power pack whenever the sun's out. We have the awning that can come out, rain and sun protection. If you come round the back, we've also integrated some storage to the rear. So you've got some handy storage here. We pack the screen here. We have a chiller fridge to keep the drinks cool. And then we have the lithium power pack, which is powering all of the internal electrics. And don't forget, the engine's electric as well. So this vehicle, simple but effective and ready to go.